You are now on your way to having everything you want. That sentence came from this book written in 1973, The Lazy Man's Way to Riches by Joe Carbo. 1973, obviously there was no such thing as YouTube. In 1973, there was no such thing as me. But the ideas and the concept from this book have led to many of, I'll just go ahead and say, what we call now clickbait titles that bring you to videos like this to learn about faceless YouTube channels. So again, let's look at that first sentence again, as Joe Carbo says. You are now on your way to having everything you want. Everything you want. What was your reaction when you read that? What was your reaction when you landed on this video and you started watching? If you haven't clicked off by now, because I'm here talking about faceless YouTube channels, showing you a book written from 1973. Well, the idea and the concept here is you don't want to show your face. But if you want to create YouTube channels, or if you want to have a YouTube channel and you want to have it be successful and join the YouTube Partner Program and make you money, or if you want to use it to generate leads to build an email list, or if you want to get people to click on links to buy your affiliate offers, this is what you need to understand. The same thing that Joe Carbo talked about in his book that millions of people purchased back in the 70s and the 80s when they were looking for an opportunity, like the opportunity that you're looking for now. But the opportunity that you have today, even here in 2024, to build a faceless YouTube channel by understanding and knowing that the thing that you need to do is to develop a skill, and that skill is to pick a thing that you're good at, or pick a thing that you choose to become good at, or you're willing to invest a little bit of time and effort and possibly a little bit of money if you want to go full on YouTube automation. As you see, or as you hear from a lot of folks, it's a popular buzzword. Really what you're doing at that point is you're learning how to outsource, and you're learning how to hire a team to develop videos on specific subjects, usually in some type of entertainment field, where they create the videos and then they upload them to your channel, or they create the videos, they send them to you, and then you upload them to the channel. But think about all the skills that you have to develop to first and foremost pick a topic and or a niche, to pick an idea or come up with an idea and then hire a team to do all that work for you, as well as the money and the time it takes to verify that that team is doing what you want or need them to do. So again, you can have everything you want from a faceless YouTube channel. How about if you just developed a skill, and that skill was making videos, just capturing your screen on your computer and talking into your microphone and giving people your opinion, your thoughts, and simply showing them how to do something simple. Back to Joe Carbo and his book, because this is very important. In Chapter 4, Techniques for Getting Unusual Ideas, it boils down to coming up with an idea of what you want to do. And I'll go ahead and I'll read this again. So first, make a list of what you enjoy doing and do better than most people. Are you a great cook? Are you a genius at fixing things around the house? Are you a sharp poker player? Does everyone you admire, or does everyone admire the way you refurnish equipment or refurnish furniture? The idea here is you're going to need certain types of equipment. You're going to need certain types of knowledge. If you don't know how to do these things, just like Joe Carbo was mentioning here in his book, if you don't already know how to do them, you're going to have to figure out how to do them yourself. Are you the guy people call for advice when they're having trouble with their cars? Are you a whiz at math? Can you make people laugh? Do you know how to butcher a cow? Do people admire your garden? Do you have a good memory? $1 million direct response business has been built on every one of these, and there's lots of room for more competition, which is you. And that's the same thing I'm talking about here, because when you landed on this video, most likely what you thought you were going to see was me telling you about NVIDIA AI, and the lazy way to go about using NVIDIA AI was to log in, link in the description, get your free account, and then click on YouTube Explainer, and then create a video, 15, 30 seconds, maybe to do shorts right here on YouTube or over on TikTok. 1 minute up to 15 minutes, and then select one of these options, then type in a prompt here, a magic prompt that's going to create a video for you, and then go down, select a few more settings, click continue, and have NVIDIA AI generate that video for you. I'm not going to tell you that that's not going to work for you, but here is the deal. To use Video AI, you have to first log in, test it out, learn how to use it. Notice what I said there. Learn how to use it, develop a skill, and then come up with a good idea. Come up with a good idea, just like the good ideas that I read here from The Lazy Man's Way to Riches from Joe Carbo back in 1973. 1973, 2024, it's not changed. It won't change. The thing that you need to do, whether you show your face on video like I'm showing it right now, or you take your face off and you show people how to use in video by selecting one of these options for the video they want to create and then showing them the way this works by clicking through the buttons and just showing your screen. Just like there, I was off screen, I was not on screen. That could have been the entire video. And yes, you could create that video, you could narrate that video, you could outsource someone to narrate that video. You could do this many, many ways. But the thing that I want you to take away from this video is you have to develop a skill. You have to pick a topic, meaning you have to pick what you want your channel to be about. Then you have to actually create the videos yourself, or you have to pay someone to create them for you. This is what I'm talking about. This is how to make a faceless YouTube channel. This is what you need to do. Go back to the lessons learned in 1973 from this book. The lessons learned that I just shared with you in this video. Pick a topic, come up with an idea, learn about it, and then learn how to create the videos or figure out how to outsource them or have someone make the videos for you. Or if you want to work with me, right now I have an option. I'm building a brand new channel. It's done for you. Everything's going to be done for you. Click the link in the description. I'll show you exactly what niche or what topic or what big idea that I have for the channel that I will work with you. And I will develop all the videos and show you how to develop the videos. Whether or not you want your face to be on screen or not, you can then determine, but the channel will start as a faceless YouTube channel. Link in the description. Check out that offer to work with me one-on-one, where I will make the channel for you and develop the idea along with your thoughts on the process as well. But ultimately, I'll be doing all the heavy lifting for you. Link in the description. And that, my friend, is how you get everything that you want from a faceless YouTube channel. Again, going back to the book from 1973, take all these things, understand that it is going to be you developing a skill, spending a little time, spending a little money, and putting forth just a little bit of effort for the new lazy way to create a faceless YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.